In this video, you'll learn how to add and manage timeline markers in Capcut for PC. To begin, click the Import button and select your media files. Then open the desired file and add it to the timeline so you have content ready to edit. After adding the video, zoom in on the timeline so you can place the markers more accurately. Click the Add Marker button to place a marker at your current timeline position. Markers help organize key moments in your project. Next, add more elements to your project if needed, or right-click you'll see several options, including Delete Marker, Delete All Timeline Markers, and Edit Marker. To edit a marker, select the Edit option, click the marker name field, and type a new label. Finally, save your changes to update the marker accordingly. You can also delete or edit markers by opening the context menu again. Select Edit, update the name or time as needed. Here, you can type and set a name for your marker. After that, if you want, you can also choose a color for it. Once you're done selecting the color, click on the Done button on the right side to confirm your edits. You've just learned how to add and manage timeline markers in Capcut PC.